How to use Box app for office supply. The Box app is an online wholesale retailer that allows you to buy office supply and household essential in bulk without a membership fee. So what you need is first thing first, you have to download and sign up. So install your Box app onto your device. Simply you want to make sure to go and register, after which, and after you're done registering, you could see the whole item over here. So now you could start adding item in bulk, and you could select bulk sizes item. You could start adding it to your cart and choose the delivery options. And that is basically how you will be able to use it for office supply. So you have the search at the very top. You could go and find the item that is necessary for the office, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and select it, and you could add a bulk item, maybe up to 33 items and all that. So you could simply tap on the add and then add it to your cart. After adding the item to the cart, you could simply go ahead and select to proceed, and this way you will be able to use Box app for office supply. So this is how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.